Hey guys, in this video, we are going to talk about how to create infographics in Canva. Creating infographics in Canva is quite simple and easy to do. So what you have to do? Simply click on search bar and write infographics. Here, click on infographics. Now you have multiple templates. Find any template and then click on the template that you would like to customize it. For example, I'm picking this template. Click on it. Click on customize this template. Now just zoom in. From here you can customize your template according to your needs. Double click on it and then change the graphics from here. Now you can make any kind of graphs and then click on this graph and then you can customize it from here as well. Okay, so now you will customize this one. Now you can play with settings as well. Now click on it. From here you can change the percentage as well. Just see. You can make it according to yourself. So in this way you can create infographics in Canva. Creating infographics in Canva is quite simple and easy to do. So you have seen that. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you. Goodbye.